Installing a ductless AC system can be a significant expense. So I'm sharing 3 easy ways to save on the cost of installing a mini split system, so you can stay comfortable without breaking the bank. Hi there, I'm Tyler Ullman, Associate Director of Ductless Product Management at Carrier. If you're working within a budget and looking to minimize costs for upgrading your home's cooling system, I have a few strategies to help reduce installation expenses. While the prospect of a DIY ductless mini split installation might seem tempting, we strongly advise entrusting this task to your local expert. The first way is to choose the right time of year for installation. Optimal installation times for your air conditioning system are during the spring or fall. During summer and winter, when temperatures can be extreme in both directions, HVAC technicians are often in high demand, potentially leading to higher service rates. So, taking advantage of the 2 off seasons is advisable for securing the best deals on your air conditioner installation. The second way is to browse Carrier.com for rebates and tax credits. Many ductless units qualify for rebates from local utility companies or federal tax credits due to their high energy efficiency. Finally, the third way to save is to get multiple quotes for ductless mini split installation so you can compare installing companies and their prices. Look for detailed estimates that outline labor, materials, warranty terms, and the brand of equipment being used. A good quote should also include an assessment of your home's size and layout to ensure the system is properly sized and zoned for maximum efficiency. There you have it, 3 smart ways to save on your mini split installation. For expert advice and personalized options, be sure to talk with your local Carrier dealer. They'll help you get the best comfort for your budget.